So hi again. We're refreshing our brains on solving linear equations. In this particular video, we are going to remember how to solve when the variable is attached to a number. But if you notice in this case, it's attached by a minus sign, right? It's not a negative sign. And some of you are like, well, how do you tell the difference between a minus sign and a negative sign? So if I have this format, notice there's nothing before this sign. That's considered a negative. But if I look over here, I have this minus or negative sign, as some people may still be debating. But before it is an X. It could have been anything before it. This would be considered a minus sign because in this case, I'm literally subtracting the two. So that's your minus sign. This sign, since there's no number, no variable in front of it, is considered a negative sign. Good? Okay, just wanted to make sure we kind of have that all situated because sometimes that's a little bit of a question in some people's minds. Okay, so in this case, I'm solving for X and I have a 9 attached. Now, what's the operation between the X and the 9? Good, subtraction. So what's the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So to break this off, I'm going to have to add 9. Not just to the left, but also to the, excellent, to the right. So when I have X minus 9 and plus 9, the minus 9 and the plus 9 drop out, as we know. And what remains? X on the left and on the right, we have, good, you did it without your calculators, I know, 20. Good job. Okay, I've got a few problems coming your way in case you need a little bit of extra practice. You have fun with them, and I'll catch you on the flip side.